Okay, Brennan, I'm going to show you my custom little dumpster that I made myself out of a pudding box. And I made a wall for it, and it holds a lot. Even little sidebars, because I took some work and it's specially designed to fit on with this. If I don't have any other dumpsters that'll fit on here, except for the one that came with it. I wanted more on the dumpster, so I made. So I can do a little double line here. And this is the custom dumpster here. This new one, it's pretty big, so it's big, it holds a lot. It takes long to hold it. Show you it in action, getting collected. Sometimes, I don't know why now it's not working, it always gets on just fine. We're not aligned too, so the two side lighting are the most aligned thing. Works just like the other dumpster, except for it's not a fully open top. Just get a little bit packed up in there. And I'll just take my packer panel. So much quicker. I'll just do that. Okay. Alright. So that's that. And also, I just want to do a little update to what my schedule is looking like. So today's the 12th, and then we got tomorrow, then there's 13th, which is Monday. Not getting footage then, but the Monday after that is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. We don't have school on that day, but the town is still open, so I'll get garbage cycle footage on Monday, so some decent, we're out length, and on Tuesday we have our release at 1 o'clock, but we're not going to get anything with that, so there's that that's happening. And then just shows my custom notes during a little update of what's happening. So David Werner.